Hey everyone, welcome to my channel and my name is Samal Shardar and this is the fourth tutorial in this series and today we see the overview of some inbuilt method in JavaScript upstream which help you to write better and efficient code. So before going start this video, I want to open my VS Code. So and So yesterday's video I already told about that in JavaScript you can write string within a double quote or single quotes, and in JavaScript there are a lot of inbuilt methods. So here you see that there is 15 important string method that is very helpful during your code. So in the next 4 5 videos, we discuss all these methods in details. I explain you uh, everything, how, when to write, how to write, what are the use cases of this method. So this is for today's video, and let's meet next video. So thank you guys. Bye.